the next day and I couldn't see for 2 days after.
Solomon, keep your phone right there. Come watch it.
Oh.
Fuck that, dude.
Hey, did anybody lose their dog? A weird looking dog.
At your feet.
Oh God! God! No!
Oh, that's scary. That's scary as shit.
I've never. He's big too.
Holy shit.
Clutch. Like it. Nice little fish. Bro, Pablo. I can't feed you, dude.